Right, here I have a problem with my 1970 Country Squire where I'm trying to wire in an intermittent wiper system on it because the original switch fell apart. I've got the electrics part sorted, and I'm now trying to find out how the vacuum part goes. I've bought a new switch and a new governor, and looking at the vacuum diagram, it appears that there is 4 pipes that go into the switch. When I look at the switch, I can only see 3 ports. We've got the red one, the black one and the white one, but on the diagram it appears that we've got a black one here and a black one here going into it. So I'm at a complete loss now where to go with this. I've got the white and the red ports on the governor and the pipe on there, and additionally I don't actually know where the governor goes in the car either. I can see here that it goes in the engine compartment, but I can't see where. If anybody has got the same setup on their car and is willing to have a look for me, I would be absolutely over the moon. Thank you very much.